Hi, I am Pragati Chaparasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick Company. My topic is Right of an Arrested Person, Part 3. Here I am going to describe some other provision of an arrested person. The right to speedy trial. It is not defined in the CRPC but it is defined under the Indian Constitution. According to Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, state that all persons are equal before law. That means both the parties have a right to produce proper evidence, proper hearing, and proper pleading before the court. And here the natural justice law is followed. Number 2, right to consult a lawyer. Section 41D of CRPC state that the right of the prisoner to consult his lawyer during the interrogation. Article 22 subsection 1 defined that arrested person has a right to appoint his lawyer uh, according to his choice. Section 303 of CRPC state that when a person is alleged and to have committed an offence before the criminal court, then he has a right to defend himself with the help of his lawyer. Right to free legal aid. Section 304 of CRPC state that when the trial is conducted before the court of session and the accused is not represented by the legal practitioner, or when it appears that the accused is not sufficient mean to appoint a pleader, then court has a duty to appoint a lawyer for helping the arrested person. Article 39A obliges the state to provide a free legal aid for the purpose of securing justice. Um, right to keep silence. So every arrested person has a right to keep silent. No one can force him to confess his mistake or to accept his mistake. So, right to keep silence is not recognized in any law, but it can drive the authority from CRPC and the Indian Evidence Act. This right is mainly related to the statement and confession made in the court. Whenever a confession or statement is made in the court, it is a duty of the magistrate to find that such a statement or confession was made voluntary and not by any force. So, arrested person cannot be forced by any person, any lawyer to confess his mistake before the court. It should be done voluntarily. Article 20 subsection 2 had no person can be compelled to be a witness against himself, and this is a principle of self incrimination. Right to be examined by the medical practitioner. Section 54 of CRPC state that when the arrested person alleged that examination of his body will lead to a fact which will be disprove the fact of commission of offence by him, or which will be lead to commission of an offence by any other person against his body, the court may order for medical examination. That means if any arrested person wants that wants the medical examination for giving any evidence and for providing any evidence before the court, then the court may help and court may order the medical practitioner to the to examine his body. So, other what are the other rights of right of an arrested person? Section 55A of CRPC state that it shall be a duty of a person under whose custody the arrested person is to take a reasonable care, health, and safety. The arrested person is protected from any other cruel and inhuman treatment. Section 35, 358 of CRPC gives the right to be compensation to the arrested person who was groundlessly arrested. Section 41A of CRPC states that police officer may give the notice to a person suspected of committing any congenital offence. Section 46 of CRPC prescribes the mode of arrest, submission to custody, touching the body physically, or to the police officer should not cause death to the person while making any arrest. Section 49 of CRPC states that police officers should not make restraint unnecessary for escape. Restraint or detention without an arrest is illegal. So these are the some provision of a right of an arrested person. So arrested person has a right. He has a right to life. He has to protect by our constitution. He protect by our constitution. He has a right to appoint a lawyer. He has a right to take a warrant, to demand warrant from the police officer. He has a right to, for medical practitioner. He has a right for legal aid. He has a right to be silent. He has a right for speedy trial. So justice should be provided everyone equally before the law, which is defined our Indian Constitution of Article 14, equality before law. So all the arrested person and both the party have a right to produce himself before the court and to produce proper hearing procedure, and he should if anything, if arrested person is not able to appoint a lawyer, then court may help to appoint the lawyer. So uh, all these our provision relating with right of an arrested person. Thank you.